Welcome to the Slop Farm. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to play PES 4 using an easy method. First, let's get familiar with the fundamental controls. Your left analog stick controls player movement, while the face buttons handle actions like passing and shooting. The X button is typically for short passes, and the square button is for shooting. Mastering these basic inputs is your first step to enjoying the game and scoring some fantastic goals. We will cover more advanced techniques shortly. Now let's focus on offense. To create chances, use the triangle button for through balls, sending your attackers into space. Combine this with 1-2 passes by pressing L1 and X, then X again, to quickly move the ball and bypass defenders. Dribbling with the left analog stick, combined with R2 for close control, allows you to maintain possession and navigate tight spaces. These three techniques are crucial for building effective attacks. Defending is just as important as attacking. To apply pressure, hold the square button to call a second defender to assist. Use the X button for standing tackles to cleanly win the ball, or the circle button for slide tackles when you need to cover more ground. Quickly switch between players using the L1 button to ensure you always have a defender in position. Effective defense prevents goals and sets up counterattacks. Finally, consistent practice is key to becoming a great player. Don't be afraid to experiment with various formations, like a 4-4-2 or a 3-5-2, to discover what suits your play style best. The dedicated training mode is excellent for honing specific skills, such as free kicks or penalties. Start by playing against the computer on a lower difficulty to build confidence and gradually increase the challenge. Enjoy the game.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.